witness the making of Empyreal Club, India's biggest luxury lifestyle family club. Inspired by the cruise lifestyle, Empyreal Club is a masterpiece of modern architecture spread over 2 acres of land, situated in the most premium location of the city. The Empyreal vision is now turning into reality, adopting the latest technology. For the first time in Jaipur, Empyreal Club is emitting a world-class experience into the Pink City. Overlooking the Jaipur International Airport, massive cantilevers, an environment-friendly building. The building features huge multi-level columnless experience areas, PT-voided beamless slabs and a 3-story basement accommodating 400 cars. Making it an oasis of luxury for all age groups.